Yeah, great tutorial. Great tutorial works for me nicely. Best practices. What is this? This is the beginning. Double check this mob save. What I've quickly read now at the end. Complete first 3D game in Godot tutorial. Very interesting, especially with this last bit with the animation part. I had no problems with script, typing everything manually on my own, even the comment lines. It all went smooth. It did take 5 hours to complete it, but it's the first time that are like the game area or something like that. Very okay, so I've fallen off. So what's going on? The game engine is rotating mobs towards the player, and I've fallen off. Knows, here it is. So it really goes very smooth. Nice kind of shadows around. It's just that hitboxes, I left it just by default as it's too big actually. I didn't smooth the hitbox on mine, so it doesn't work in my favor. I am supposed to jump on them for the points. With some gradient on the floor, it would look even more realistic, like and so on and so on. And that's it. It is easier to repeat this go-through tutorial. It's better to follow the manual than watch my video. I don't know, I'll have a look at the video. Anyway, thanks.